Mobile station is consist of mobile equipment and subscriber identity module. Subscriber identity module. It is generally a physical mobile handset of user or subscriber. A physical mobile handset of user or subscriber. Write down about subscriber identity module, that is SIM. It is the mobile terminal without which MS cannot communicate with any user. MS cannot communicate with any user. Okay. It contain IMSI. It contain IMSI, that is International Mobile Subscriber Identity. International Mobile Subscriber Identity, consisting of 15 digits. Okay.
Consisting of
15 digit. Next, also it has IMEI, that is International Mobile Equipment आयडेंटिटी. MS मध्ये असते. हा मोबाईल स्टेशनचं सांगते. IMSI आणि IMEI हे दोन्ही कशात असतात? मोबाईल स्टेशनमध्ये. मोबाईल स्टेशनमध्ये काय असतात? सिम असतो. इंटरनॅशनल मोबाईल इक्विपमेंट आयडेंटिटी. ठीक आहे. इट इज ऑल्सो कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 15 डिजिट्स. त्यामध्ये एक आपला असा जनरल कंट्री कोड असतो, काही सिरियल नंबर असतात, त्यानुसार तुम्हाला आयडेंटिफाय होतं. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक घ्या, दॅट इज बेस स्टेशन सबसिस्टीम. बेस स्टेशन सबसिस्टीम. It consists of base transceiver station and base station controller. Base transceiver station and base station controller, that is BTS and BSC. write down about BSS. BTS. Write down about BTS. It consists of one directional antenna which is responsible for transmission and reception of radio signals. Next point, multiple BTS are connected and controlled by BSC. Next, write down about BSC. It is a high quality switch which controls several BTS. It provides data and control of radio frequency power signals. Also, it assigns free channel to the subscriber. Okay, next block is network switching subsystem. It consists of mobile switching center, home location register, visitor location register, authentication, and equipment identity register. Next point, it manages communication between GSM network and other networks like PSTN, that is public switch telephone network. It performs various switching functions. It performs various switching functions. Also, track the location of subscriber. Track the location of subscriber. And also perform different call routing functions. Different call routing functions.
मॅम परत एकदा सांगा.
It manages different switching functions. It also track the location of subscriber and also perform different routing functions. Okay, next write down about HLR. आधीचा पार्ट जो होता मी सांगितलं नेटवर्क स्विचिंग सबसिस्टीम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ MSC, HLR, VLR, AUC आणि EIR. ठीक आहे. सो त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट पॉईंट जो लिहिला आहे इट परफॉर्म्स, तर इट ऐवजी तिथे मेन्शन करा MSC. MSC perform different switching functions, tracks the location of subscriber and also perform call routing. ठीक है. MSC मेंशन करा, ते होतं फंक्शन ऑफ MSC. आफ्टर दॅट HLR, that is home location register. HLR चं फंक्शन लिहा. It contain user information like address, account status, etc. HLR is used to perform identification with the help of IMSI. Also it provides various types of services like supplementary services. HLR uses address of VLR in case of roaming. ठीक है. Next, write down about VLR. It contain database of local subscribers. Okay. Next, write down EIR. Write down about EIR, that is Equipment Identity Register. It keeps track of all valid and invalid mobile equipments in the area. Also, it stores IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, IMEI, provided by the manufacturer.
मॅम परत एकदा रिपीट करा.
EIR keeps the track of all valid and invalid mobile equipments in the area. Also, it stores IMEI provided by the manufacturer. Okay, next part, AUC, Authentication Center. It contains secret authentication key for each subscriber.